Lenovo has recently introduced a new budget monitor in the Chinese market, known as the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25. This display boasts a compelling set of features for its price point, making it an attractive option for consumers in need of a high-quality yet affordable monitor. One distinctive feature of the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 is its sleek and modern appearance. It is available in a single white color option, which not only looks stylish, but also complements various office or home setups. The monitor's remarkable thinness is a standout feature, with its thinnest point measuring a mere 6.9mm, making it even slimmer than many of the smartphones available in the market. This slim profile adds a touch of elegance to any workspace. The monitor comes with 2mm bezels on 3 sides, providing an immersive viewing experience with minimal distractions. However, the bottom part of the display is slightly thicker, where you'll find a removable stand featuring a cable management hole, ensuring your desk stays clutter-free. The stand also includes a convenient platform for placing your smartphone, which is a thoughtful addition. Additionally, the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 offers VESA wall mount support for those who prefer a wall-mounted setup. Now, let's delve into the display specifications. The Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 features a 24.5-inch IPS LCD panel with WLED technology. It offers a full HD resolution, a commendable 100Hz refresh rate, and a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports 8-bit color depth, providing vibrant and accurate colors for your visual content. With a typical brightness level of 250 nits and a fast 4 milliseconds response time, it ensures a smooth and vivid visual experience. The display's color performance is equally impressive, covering 99% of the sRGB color gamut. This means that it reproduces colors faithfully, making it suitable for tasks like photo editing, graphic appearance, and more. It boasts a contrast ratio of 1300:1 and an expansive 178 degrees viewing angle, allowing for clear and vibrant visuals from various angles. Moreover, the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 incorporates DC dimming technology and has been certified for Display 2.0, TÜV Rheinland low blue light, and TÜV Rheinland flicker-free, ensuring a comfortable and strain-free viewing experience. In terms of connectivity, the monitor is equipped with an HDMI 1.4 port and GAA ports, offering versatility in connecting to various devices. While it's initially available in mainland China, there is hope that the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 monitor might make its way to international markets in the future, though there's no official confirmation as of now. The Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 monitor is making waves in the Chinese market, not only for its impressive features, but also for its remarkably affordable price tag. This budget-friendly display is priced at just 699 yuan, which translates to approximately $95, making it an excellent choice for consumers looking for an affordable yet high-quality monitor to enhance their computing and entertainment experiences. What's even more exciting is that Lenovo is offering a limited-time promotion for this monitor, bringing the price down to an even more wallet-friendly 599 yuan, which is approximately $80. This special discount makes the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 an even more attractive option, allowing customers to enjoy a significant reduction in costs for a limited period. In summary, the Lenovo Xiaoxin 25 is an affordable yet feature-rich monitor that combines a stylish appearance with impressive display specifications. Its ultra-slim profile, vibrant color performance, and thoughtful appearance elements make it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers in the Chinese market and potentially beyond. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.